You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? We are looking at how to pronounce this word and more confusing vocabulary many get wrong, so stay tuned to the channel to learn more and become part of the community in English, British English. It's said as lanyard, lanyard, stress on the first syllable, lanyard. Now in American English it's generally said as lanyard, lanyard, or lanyard. And now you know. Like this video if you found it useful. Thanks for your support. Let me know in the comments if you found it useful or not. More videos for you here to learn more correct and free pronunciations. Thanks for watching. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.